Hey, what's up, you guys?
Hello.
We just got back from Popeyes again. You guys hopefully have seen our video where we tried Popeyes for the first time, but we went back today for two reasons.
Yeah.
One, the chicken sandwich is back, so Isabeau is going to sample that for us.
Yes.
I'm going to hang out with her for a little bit because I have to try and eat these without liquids as fast as I can. I was called out by Corey Styles, who did this with Derek Hendrickson. His channel is The Adventures of Heavy D, and you can check out Corey Styles at the Thick and Chunky Show. The Thick and Chunky Show. But Isabeau is starving because we just got back from a long trip, so I'm going to let her dig in.
Okay, so if you remember from the last video, I'd recommend that you don't get the soda from the place because it's never bubbly. It just kind of tastes like if you left a soda out after night and then you're like, oh, I had this soda I didn't even remember about. And you drank it anyways because you're like, you didn't want to waste it. It's never good. Still gonna drink it anyways. But this mac and cheese I've never tried before, so I'm gonna try that first.
I tried that last time. I thought it was okay.
It smells great.
Oh, you are a hungry girl.
The noodles are not very firm. They're kind of just like pasty. Not as like great mac and cheese. And it tastes kind of floury. Like it's not a very saucy sauce. For the best explanation of it.
Saucy sauce. I like that.
I don't like the biscuits very much. So you can take this biscuit and I don't even want to eat it.
Okay. I'm not sure what to do with that, but I'll put it right here.
And I'm super excited to try this because the bun smells great. And it smells kind of pickly. Yes, there is pickles in here, which I love pickles. So.
Do you want me to hold that up to the camera? I just want to show you guys how big the chicken patty is on the sandwich. It's really impressive. Are you okay?
Yeah. Okay, I know it doesn't look, when you look at the sandwich of the inside, it doesn't look like a lot of breading. I pretty much only tasted breading. So, I don't know what's up with that. The bun's also really thick. So, yeah, it's just mostly chicken, which is usually what a chicken sandwich is, but I don't know about it. I don't know. I haven't really tried a lot of the other chicken sandwiches, and I'm not like a super chicken sandwich person, but it's great. I mean, it's good.
Maybe get a bite with the pickles. Isabeau loves pickles, so. What are you getting, Bishop?
Pretty good spices. I like the flavor of it.
He's just getting candy.
It's not like spicy, but it has like a little kick to it, which I really like. I want to try one of the pickles by themselves.
Oh, they're nice big pickles.
They kind of taste like any other pickle. That spicy sauce. I'm crying because of the spicy sauce.
Did you get a spicy chicken sandwich? Why is it so spicy?
I don't know.
Did you get the wrong sandwich?
Yeah.
Because the boys ordered spicy chicken sandwiches. Oh, I bet you get the wrong sandwich. Her poor face is all red.
She took my sandwich.
She didn't mean to. You didn't inspect. You gotta inspect.
Anyways, but it's not spicy when you eat the whole sandwich itself. But if you eat just the pickle, all the spicy sauce is on it. So, yeah.
Well, I wonder if you would have liked the chicken sandwich better if you'd gotten the original one. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's too bad.
I think I might have liked it less because I like the little kick to it. It feels like a little yay.
I liked just the regular fried chicken, their spicy version. When I tried that when we went, I thought that was really good. And you like the mac and cheese?
No.
It's awesome. We have the toilet flushing in the background. It's good content.
Yeah, but the noodles are a little just kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like when you put it in your mouth, it just, all of it turns into the same mush. Yeah, it doesn't really feel like a noodle and a sauce. It feels like just sauce made to look like a noodle with more sauce on it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so.
Oh, man, guys. So I knew, because I think when we first tried Popeyes, we were in the drive-thru for like 20 to 30 minutes and we couldn't figure out why, and it's because the sandwich was out and we didn't even know. Silly us. But we went today and we went into the restaurant packed. Absolute madhouse. In fact, they had a sign on the door that said they were going to stop selling the chicken sandwiches at 3 p.m. every day because it's too crowded. We got there a little after 3 and they still gave us a chicken sandwich, but
yeah.
So verdict, would you order it again?
No.
No?
No, I don't like Popeyes that much.
Aw, okay.
They're kind of mediocre.
Yeah, you didn't like it last time either. I wonder if you'd like the fried chicken, but maybe not, because you're not a big fried chicken person.
Yeah, it's just chicken in my opinion. It's just like, okay, cool.
Should I try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh! Knocking things over. Let's see.
And for all those people that are like, no, I love the Popeyes chicken sandwich. In my opinion, chicken sandwiches they're all just chicken sandwiches. This one, like, some can be slightly better than each other. This one's just...
No, it's really good.
It is?
Mm-hmm. Especially if you like chicken sandwiches. The chicken's tender. The breading's crisp. It's a huge portion of chicken, but it's not too much. Yeah, that's definitely, if not the best chicken sandwich, the best one I've had in recent memory. I think you just don't like chicken sandwiches, which is okay.
I've had chicken sandwiches that I like.
Yeah?
But I've never
what
been
would be
like,
your favorite?
oh my gosh, this is the best chicken sandwich that I've ever had.
Same.
I don't know, I think at my friend's house one time, she like...
Do you still want the...
she
do you
bought
want
like
to eat off of this?
You know how we got rescue food? There's like rescue
rescue food.
You
should explain that.
Oh, rescue food. When food is about to go bad in the store, so they put it on a discount. Therefore, when you buy it, it's cheaper, and therefore you're rescuing the food.
Because it would go in the trash otherwise.
Yeah.
We love rescue food.
But there was this rescue food, but it was frozen chicken like patties. They're super expensive otherwise, but they're super cheap. My friend bought them, and at her house they just had like a bunch of them late at night. We're just like, oh, let's make some chicken sandwiches real quick, and then we did, and they were pretty good.
Nice. All right. Well, I'm gonna let Izzy enjoy the rest of her sandwich, and I'll see you guys in just a sec. All right, guys, we're back. Got to see Isabel review the famous Popeyes chicken sandwich, even though she got the spicy, not the regular. I think her brother's a little disappointed that he ended up with the regular, but anyway, let's just do this. So we've got 6 Popeyes biscuits. Most people that have had these are not huge fans. They are not Popeye's best food. I personally think they kind of taste okay. They have a good buttery flavor, but they are very dense. So the challenge today, I've got my timer here set for 2 minutes. We have to eat as many of these as we can in 2 minutes. And I have liquid here because I've watched 2 people do this. I watched Corey Stiles and I watched Derek Hendrickson, and they both struggle with choking. So not only do I have emergency liquids just in case, but I also have a CPR first aid trained person just standing in the wings. So we're playing this safe today. Corey did warn me, but he did call me out, so we're gonna try it. And Hurley's already choking because he's feeling my pain. All right. And my throat's already dry. Hold on, I'm gonna take a drink first. All right. Oh wow, it feels like a hockey puck. Excellent. Good times. Cheers. And we're off.
It's good with honey.
Oh, hard. Oh man. Don't try this at home, kids. It's not smart. I tried to be really safe, so I almost got 2 biscuits eaten. Not quite. I think Corey, well, no, I'm not going to tell you. You have to go watch their videos. Go check out the Thick and Junky show with Corey Styles. See how he did. Go to the Adventures of Heavy D. See how Derek did. That's it. That's the super dumb, super dry Popeyes biscuit with no liquids challenge. Don't do it. Okay, bye guys.